3 ZKB. What does ZKB mean? You have seen this abbreviation in the description of a flat and you don't know exactly what it means. Here is the answer. Z stands for Zimmer, which means room. K stands for Küche, which means kitchen. B stands for bad, which means bath, and is sometimes used for bathroom. It means that the presented flat has 3 rooms, and this is a very standard type of flat in Munich as well as in many cities worldwide. When we talk about a 3-room flat, it does not mean that the flat has 3 bedrooms. Instead, it usually has only 2 bedrooms. The living room is also considered as a room, and with the 2 bedrooms, it makes a total of 3 rooms. The kitchen and the bathroom do not count as rooms. Maybe you find some alternatives, like 2 ZKB, which means that the flat has only 2 rooms. You should then consider, in most of the cases, that one of them is a living room and the other one is a bedroom. In a 3 ZKB, the kitchen is not included in the living room. Instead, it is a separated room with its own door. Some don't like it because they would have more space in the living room. Cooking would be more fun because it would be easier to talk with relatives or flatmates in the living room. On the other hand, cooking makes noise and it smells, so maybe you like it better when the kitchen is separated. A 3 ZKB has a bathroom with a bath tube, and the toilet is located in this bathroom. There is no extra separated toilet in a real 3 ZKB flat. Of course, there are also 3 rooms flats with other configurations, like a shower instead of the tube or with a separate toilet. In these cases, I would not consider the flat as being a standard 3 ZKB. Most of the time, each flat has a small cellar to store stuff in the basement of the building. It is not a specificity of ZKB flats, but it is quite common in Munich. Usually, the cellar belongs to the same entry in the title register as the flat it is sold with. A parking lot is not necessarily sold with the flat. However, some 3 ZKB have one, so it is not unusual to buy both at the same time. The parking place may have a separate entry in the title register. Beware that most underground parking places are not easy to park in. Many have a belt system to save space by putting 2 cars one above the other one. Most small flats and even some 3 ZKB do not have their own washing machine. Instead, there is a laundry to share with your neighbors, and this laundry is named Küche. Most of the times, it works either with coins or with special tokens to buy. When the laundry is located in the basement of the house, the word Waschkeller is also used. Do you want to buy a flat in Munich? I give you knowledge about ownership in the city, a proven, successful preparation for your own flat. Subscribe and visit flatinmunich.de.